How is it going, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to trade Gold Card and Monopoly Go. Let's start by launching Monopoly Go app on your phone. On the main tab, tap the album section located at the bottom part of the screen. Now navigate to the cursor to select basically for the normal stickers. Here are the only stickers that you can send to other people. To send normal stickers, tap the stickers that have an extra, then press the Send to Friend button below. Now, when we go to the gold stickers, it shows here that it can be gifted to anyone. The only way for you to obtain the sticker is through playing the game. If you're lucky enough, you can obtain this by buying this chest here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.